What's up guys? So here in Florida right now, and if you remember me, this video from last year of the classic car place we went to, well, I'm gonna take you guys there again. Oh, and this is our beautiful rental car. Hi, Guy.
What's up, Guy?
I'm freezing.
You ready, Jay? You gonna buy a car in here? Sick.
Remember last year we said we were going to come back with enough money so that I could buy that 57 Chevy girl there?
Hey, Jalen's still here.
Look. It's a sign. It's a sign.
Man, oh man.
Oh, smell that.
Oh my, dude, there's so many more than last time, Jay. So many more. Is that the one you're gonna buy?
It's only $450 a month. Cheaper than my truck.
Darn, get rid of it. Here's this is Ryan's dream car right here.
Which one? Split bumper.
Split bumper, yep. I gotta send him a picture of that one. God dang, that is a beautiful car. Look at that, Ryan. It's an auto. Perfect for you.
This is why we gotta check them. These guys say they're the fastest Camaros in town. I gotta break them down, tell them their engine isn't what they think it is.
Kind of like this Charger. Kind of like it. It's kind of really freaking big, but freaking G body right here. Look at this.
Okay.
She's pretty. Needs a little paint work, but I wonder if you can test drive.
I'm sure you can.
Well,
You probably got to be over 25 though with the insurance law.
oh, I'm not saying I could.
Yeah.
Saying you could.
Maybe
Oh,
like
it's not for
100
sale yet. Damn, it's so big. I bet you if you talk to them enough, see how much they even want for it.
Could you imagine? God damn, I'm on the way home. Why'd you get a rental car? Kinda.
Kind of, but I'm gonna take it back.
Yeah, I don't gotta take this one back.
What'd you get a rental car? I got something in Florida.
Yeah, I got something.
Oh, is that what I think it is? Oh, it's not a Cobra. Here she is. My next car. My next car. Hey, I found my next car, by the way. Jay, found my next car. All right, going down the line.
Me too.
Wow. Look at this, dude. 5.3 turbo.
Yeah. It's got a bug catcher on the turbo.
Oh, here's a catch can.
One of them. Oh yeah,
One of
that is catch can.
Jeez.
I still have a big taste in my mouth.
Darn, I guess we're not bringing the Enclave home, dude. You bring home the G-Body, I'll bring home the Mustang. How much is it? Oh, I guess it's free. Next year. Promise, next year. Is that a GNX?
Grand National Eagle.
Oh my. In the flesh. Is this one for sale?
Yeah, 30.
Ooh. Heck no, it ain't.
Look at the front bumper. That
That's
thing is
sweet.
camshaft.
That is actually pretty awesome.
We're at Ron. Try that.
Here's well, here's a good nice Viper, but Dream Viper on the other side of it right here. They're both Vipers. Holy moly, dude. That sounds amazing. So which one, Jay? I asked her if she knew what my favorite Viper was. Which one is it? Let me look at the GTOs real quick. Dream GTOs. Man, dude, I love these cars. Jay said I would look good in this car. I would have to agree. All right, Jalen said she's gonna pick out a sports car. Is this the one right here? No? Which one? This one? C4?
It's only 18 grand. I'll take it home today.
I'll take it home today, she says. And it's a stick. Good choice.
44,000.
We'd have to motor swap it. These motors are.
I think I like it.
A lot of people don't like these, but I like them.
I think I didn't at first. But
I don't like the body kit,
I don't like it.
but I like the. Like if it didn't have the thing in the corners, then yeah, I'd like it a lot more.
So what's that black one over there?
Which black one? One right next to the yellow one?
No, right next to the blue one.
That's a Corvette. That's the year before this. That's the generation.
So I think I like Corvettes. I think I like this year more than that year though. That one's 2.8 to me.
That one's the same thing as this
Oh
one.
yeah, this one's 2.8.
Charlie found her car.
Beautiful.
Year 66. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, this Camaro is
That I keep pointing out fire bears. I don't like fire bears.
Where's your favorite car? Point it out. You've had like 6 now. Favorite car to here. It doesn't have to be your favorite car in general. It's your favorite car to here. This is your favorite car. Because this is my next car. Awaiting mini
I'm not
detail.
just saying that because I know it's your next car. I really do like it. I didn't like the 90s cars at first, but I like
This is
80s.
99 to 02. Oh, 04, sorry, 04.
I like the 90s cars. A lot.
Trying to get Justin to take this car home. He's not into it, but I'm trying to get him to take it home. All right, Justin, let's go sign the papers.
Grand National Regal.
Yeah?
Yep, 100%. That's my favorite so far. I don't know. Man, there's so many of them.
What, nice cars? Frick yeah, there are. All right, guys, so this is completely random here, but I just got back from Florida, and the truck has been sitting for over a week now. And we're gonna see what it sounds like in 40-degree weather, sitting through a snowstorm and all that stuff. Ooh, God dang. Good grief, she crackled that time. Man, do I miss this thing. All right, guys, real quick here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm back. Obviously, if you watched the video before this, you know that I'm back from Florida and everything. I just gotta say, I will never, ever again take something that wasn't my own car, because taking my truck and car the past 2 previous years, going to Florida, it just made the experience that much better. Driving your own vehicle through the, like, on the beach and everything, and the exhaust and everything, it was awesome. I mean, it was great, and it was a cheap way to do it this year. Then it's putting wear and tear on my own vehicles and everything, and I was grateful that we were able to get this rental car. I'm back now, and this weekend I'm gonna be working on the transmission, and then also putting an exhaust on a special vehicle that I think is gonna sound really good. So stay tuned for those. And also, before I forget, actually I'm glad I remembered. If you guys remember Gearhead Drummer, his channel is no longer. He is still making YouTube, and it is a new YouTube channel. It's called, I believe it's called Herschel Vlog. Let me look up real quick, I can't remember. Gearhead Drummer is still a channel, but he doesn't make anything on there anymore. Let's see here. Andrew Herschel, I'll put it right here on the screen. So go check him out. He's trying to get a bunch of subscribers back, and yeah, go check him out. He's doing, instead of doing just car related things now, he's doing a lot of car related things, also like snowmobiling and snowboarding and skateboarding, and going like recording vacations and stuff like that, but still a lot of car related things. So still expect meet videos, still expect us to meet up. So yeah, go check him out, Andrew Herschel on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button for him, and also if you like this video, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.